Hey everyone, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile. This video is going to be very easy and helpful for you, so please hit the subscribe button for your support. Let's start the video. The first step is to open Facebook on your mobile phone, and then click on this hamburger menu on your profile picture. Now scroll down to the Settings and Privacy section, and click on the Privacy Center. Now scroll down to the end, and select Facebook. Now choose the profile you want to lock. Now scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section, and click on Profile Locking. Here you can see the button to lock your profile. Just click on it. And that's it, you have successfully locked your Facebook profile. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.